Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a content calendar in Buffer in 2026. If you want to organize your social media posts, plan content ahead of time, and maintain a consistent posting schedule, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Buffer account. Once you're on the dashboard, make sure you've already connected the social media accounts you want to manage. Next, click on the Calendar or Publishing section from the Buffer dashboard. This is where you can view all your scheduled and upcoming posts in one place. Now click the Create Post button to start adding content to your calendar. Write your caption, upload an image or video, and include any links or hashtags you want to use. Next, choose the social media channels where you want the post to be published. You can select one account or multiple connected accounts at the same time. Now, instead of publishing immediately, click Schedule Post and choose the exact date and time you want the content to go live. Repeat this process to fill your calendar with posts for the coming days or weeks. Next, review your calendar to make sure your posts are evenly spaced and cover different types of content. If needed, drag, edit, or reschedule posts to create a balanced publishing plan. Now continue adding new content regularly so your calendar always stays updated. Planning in advance helps you stay consistent and saves time throughout the week. Finally, check your content calendar before each week begins to make sure everything is ready for automatic publishing. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a content calendar in Buffer step by step. You can now organize your social media strategy, stay consistent, and manage your content much more efficiently. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.